Been on the apprenticeship 4 or 5 months now. Apprenticeship is absolutely great. The fun thing is you see so many people with different needs and you try and help them out. It's absolutely brilliant.
I chose the apprenticeship role because I feel like it's better to learn before you're thrown in the deep end in a full-time job. I felt like the apprenticeship was for me. I chose the North East Ambulance Service because it's a very rewarding job and I love it.
The best thing about the apprenticeship is generally helping people out that need it. College does help quite a lot. It gives you a proper insight into what could happen, so it kind of prepares you for the worst scenario and it just prepares you for anything that you expect on the job.
Getting paid was a very big part of why I chose an apprenticeship, because you're getting paid to learn. The college side of it is good as well, because you're learning more about customer service and what you need to know.
I strongly recommend to come and do an apprenticeship. I really would. If you do well and you enjoy it, you gain the skills, you got to progress, it's fun. And if I enjoy it and I want to do it as a job, I'll carry on with it.
I definitely recommend the apprenticeship scheme because I've learned a lot while learning and getting paid at the same time.